Tony Ramos, a tax resolution or remediation attorney from San Antonio. When we started Google PPC a couple of years ago, we wanted to add Facebook, so 4 months ago we hired a national firm, spent a lot of money, $15,000 between their fees and the spend, and basically ended up with a $500 client. So we said, enough of that. Where can we go that we really have confidence in? That was Perry.
My name's Ruben Ramos, and I am the marketer for my father's business. I've been running his Google ads for a couple of years, and now we're moving into Facebook. We had an agency taking care of our stuff, or not, and so it's coming in-house now, and I'm gonna handle it. And so we came here to kind of both get familiar with it and teach me what I have ahead of me.
You know, we've done pretty well with Google for a couple of years, and I wanted to expand. I got a good perspective on how Facebook works, you know, the difference between Facebook and Google, which I kind of already knew, but not really. I thought it would be good to come, and I wasn't disappointed.
It was very personal, and I was able to ask all the questions I needed. Bob looked at everybody's account and did like a live case study on it, and he showed us what we were doing wrong, showed us what we could do to improve our situation. So that was very valuable.
From a business owner's point of view, you need to have at least some basic understanding of the concepts so that you can know what questions to ask to properly convey your goals to your marketing consultant.
I would say it's good to come to this because you can talk to the professionals directly. For me, that's what was valuable. There's so many videos online and stuff that you can check out, but to be able to talk to professionals, they are spending their time here with you. That's what I would say, it's invaluable.